Okay, so let's do this together. Ah, So the first one, 2,000 shares, and we're selling them for $9.50 per share. So immediately I can figure out how much cash I'm going to collect by just doing $9.50 times 2,000 shares. I'm going to be bringing in $19,000. Now, before we would just do common stock, 19,000. This was the level one journal entry. But now we're introducing this idea of common stock, $1 par value. And this is going to be the number of shares, 2,000, times the par value, which is $1. And then all the remaining kind of capital that was contributed is going to be in this paid in capital in excess of par for common. Yeah, because again, this common stock par value is going to depend on the par value, right? In this case, it was $1, right? If it was 1 cent, I would have done this 2,000 times 1 cent, and then that would have changed how much is in here. If it was $2 par value stock, so it's all going to depend on what the par value of the shares are, and then all the remainder will go into paid in capital in excess of par. Okay, so the next one is issued 300 shares of $3 no par value preferred stock for $15,000. Okay, so I already know I'm bringing in $15,000 cash, and we don't have to do the par value and this paid in capital in excess of par because this is no par value preferred stock. So we're just gonna be able to do preferred stock 15,000. Okay, so that one is simple because there's no par value. Okay, and then this last one, received equipment with the market value of 78,000 exchanged for 3,000 shares of $1 par value common stock. So 78,000 is the total value. We're getting equipment. We're gonna have basically these two same, and it's for 3,000 shares. It's gonna be 3,000. And then the paid in capital in excess is just 78,000 minus 3,000. Okay, and then how much paid in capital these transactions generate? Well, how should we do it? What's the answer to this? How much total paid in capital? Well, it's just the sum of these three. Okay, so it's 112,000. It's just equal to the sum of this and this and this. That's the total capital that we've raised from our investors. And some of it was cash, some of it was equipment, but that's the total capital contributed.